Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close look and test the BLACK+DECKER 5 litre grey pedal bin with soft closed lid. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a BLACK+DECKER 5 litre grey pedal bin with soft closed lid, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the side of the box. Some images of the bin in action, and taking a look from the top down of the box lid and on the bottom or underside of the box packaging. So it comes with a 2-year BLACK+DECKER guarantee. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear sticky seal that's keeping the box securely closed. And let's pop out the box tab and flip up the lid. And let's remove the inner box card packaging, and giving you a look directly inside of this BLACK+DECKER 5 litre grey pedal bin with soft closed lids. Contents, and let's slide the bin out carefully from its box and just checking through to make sure nothing else is left behind. Let's just slide that inner card base out. Just to be sure that there's nothing that we're leaving behind in that box packaging. So we can close the box back up. And I'm just going to set the box on the right hand side of the tabletop. So right there, I'm giving you a look at the BLACK+DECKER 5 litre grey pedal bin with soft closed lid. And of course, let's remove the bubble wrap packaging. And once again, just checking through, nothing else is left in the bubble wrap packaging, which is recyclable. So let's do that when there is the time for that, and giving you a look at this BLACK+DECKER 5 litre grey pedal bin with soft closed lid. So just giving you a full look right round before I start handling it. Okay, so giving you a direct look at this grey pedal bin with soft closed lid. So you can see directly at the front there is the BLACK+DECKER branding in a dark grey on the overall grey body. So it is made out of stainless steel. So just tapping with my fingertip on the body of the bin. So taking a close-up look at the detail, so you can see that it does have a matte grey finish. So right there, letting the light play along on its surface. And of course, to give you some sense of the size of this pedal bin, just placing my hand over the top of it. And of course, let's lay it flat down, so giving you a bit more perspective as I place my hand on the side of the bin. And of course at the front as well somehow. Just going to show you the size of this bin. So it measures 29 centimeters deep, 14 centimeters wide, and 30 centimeters tall. So 30 by 29 by 14. Okay, and of course taking a close-up look at the foot pedal right there and its overall assembly, which we can see. So it does have a textured design on the pedal cover, so doing my best to give you a look at the details there. Of course there is a bit of shadow cast on the pedal itself, but nonetheless giving you that close-up look at the foot pedal of this pedal bin. And of course the underside of it, so just taking a look at the various details of the bin. And of course I've just tipped out the removable inner bucket, and just leave that down there for the time being while we take a look at the overall details of this pedal bin. So you can see very thoroughly right through the body from the base or underside, and with the mechanism as well. So we're giving you a very thorough look at this BLACK+DECKER pedal bin. And of course taking a look at the inside details, and of course on the underside of the lid. So there, a close-up look at the lid details on the underside. So and of course the hinge or opening mechanism. So we can see that it is mostly exposed. And of course the inner workings or the inside of this pedal bin, with the inner bucket removed or fallen out, should I say, from handling. Okay, so they're giving you a full and clear look at the BLACK+DECKER 5 litre grey pedal bin with soft close lid, and of course the removable inner bucket with carry handle. So right there, good look at the inner bucket, which is made from plastic, and of course the stainless steel matte grey pedal bin itself. So let's take a look at the bucket, and let's close that lid down. Of course, see how gently it lowers itself shut. And now of course giving you a look at this 5 litre capacity removable inner bucket with handle. So you can see that it does have that carry handle. And the inside details as best I can, quite dark in there, but nonetheless the inner workings and details of this inner bucket for the pedal bin. So giving you a thorough look at the sides, and of course the bottom, so we can see that it is recyclable. It does have the recycle markings for its plastic type. And let's put the bucket back into the pedal bin itself. So let's press on the pedal bin using my fingers and placing the bucket inside of it. And we're going to watch it shut just very, very softly and gently. So giving you a look right now. Let's test the mechanism out once again with the pedal. So keeping my fingers depressed on the pedal keeps the lid up. And if I were to slowly lift off, and we can re-raise it. And there we go. So very simply, fast open and closes very, very smoothly and gently as well. So we can even keep it partially open with partial pressure on the foot pedal. So you can see right there, and perhaps giving you a better look at the mechanism this way. So it does stay open just as long as there is pressure on the pedal, and of course you can see how the lid opens or lowers or closes with the varying amount of pressure on the foot pedal. So once again, giving you a look this way, quickly with full pressure opening and shut. And with partial pressure, keeping the lid partially open and reopening. And once again. So this time let's lift the bucket out so we can see instead of having it fall out earlier. So right there, simple operation with the pressure on the foot pedal and just simply lifting the bucket out and popping it back in. And there is even a carry handle for the bin itself. Just taking a look at that mechanism from the back as well. And with partial pressure applied to keep the lid up and open again, and holding it right there. And of course releasing pressure on that foot pedal. So one more look straight up. So that's the BLACK+DECKER 5 litre grey pedal bin with soft close lid. Thanks for watching and happy binning!